first step you want to do is clamp off the fuel lines so you don't get any of that diesel dripping all over you. Next, you want to remove the water separator. Now you want to remove the 4 cap screws on the bottom side of the water separator with a 1/4 inch Allen. So what you may encounter is the bracket might be in the way of these 4 bolts, so you'll need a 7/16 wrench on the bottom and a 3/16 Allen on the top to loosen that bracket to move it out of the way. Or if you loosen them one by one at a time, it'll push the motor tower up. And if you're just inspecting O-rings, what you'll do is check the 2 O-rings on the bottom of this motor tower. Check for any nicks, cuts, anything of that nature, and see if they're even there. It looks like the one on the right is actually stuck on top of the base, and there is also a check ball on top of that base as well. In an AirDog kit, there should be an O-ring kit that comes with it. If you don't have those, give us a call and we'll send some out to you. Now you'll want to clean the top of the AirDog base. Be sure not to get any dirt, particulates into the ports, because we want to make sure we have a clean mounting surface for the O-rings to seal.
In the motor replacement comes a sheet that tells you exactly how to reinstall the new motor, take it all apart, starting from removing the fuel filter and water separator from the unit. Obviously, you don't have to remove both filters. You can remove just the water separator and still accomplish the same thing. In the kit, you also get 4 new mounting bolts for the motor, your 2 O-rings that go underneath the motor, as well as your new check ball. On the kit, on the new motor assembly, your check ball is going to go in this hole right here. Your larger O-ring is going to go around that, and your smaller O-ring is going to go around this single hole. Also, if you're checking your pump for suction, this is the hole that you want to check for suction on.
Next, we're going to reinstall the motor tower using the supplied O-rings and bolts.
That's good for robbery. Now that we don't want to go, we restart that place. See how it's going.
tighten the bolts down in a crisscross pattern.
I don't believe much on Facebook. You're still editor.
But she can delete you if you want.
She's the marketing person. Why wouldn't she get it? Process.
So I'm gonna edit it down.
Complete.
Now you put the water separator back on. If you're changing your filters, this would be a good time to do so while you're underneath the truck. Now, last step would be to plug it in, bump the starter, disconnect your hose clamps, and see if you have any leaks. If you have any leaks, you have to take the motor tower back off, check for any pinched O-rings, and yeah, just repeat what we just did.